Ponete Red and Chris Hobilla. We have a big one here. Justin Almeida at my side. Just recruits also. But Gortiza has other plans and he will go all the way to break the scoreless tie. Again, Gortiza getting the possession for EAC. Gives it to Carlos Chavo. 4-0 blazing start for Gerson Gabiltes. Wow. Kinal against Angeles. Sop and pop is good for Waki Garcia. Mas kailangan nila EAC afloat despite their starters sitting down and Loristo.
That's why they execute properly and nalalaman nila bawat option ng mga offensive sets nila.
Meanwhile, JC Recto in this ball game being read well on defense by EAC. Jude Bagay never giving up. And Esca missed blowing pass. His the third, Carlo Chavo. Again, driving, but giving it up at the last minute to Wilmar of this lead again to an 8-point lead, 46 to 38 with 3 minutes left here in the third quarter. Chris Hobilla. Mangubat driving, kicking out to Noel Agemeni. He makes the baseline jumper. Seconds remaining in the third. Hobilla against Bacud. Uses his offhand and layup is good for Chris Hobilla. Doing things on the defensive end. And Yam Concepcion will score and he will get the foul. A counter 4-0. Diego Bancale. Aaron Fermin from the outside and he will get the soft touch in the fourth. Gortiza using Umpad as a screen. Umpad, one-hander and it's good.
Soft touch.
Wilmar Oftana giving it to Aldeo Lucero. And Gortiza has been awesome to start this game. Rises his hand for a three and he would make it to seal the deal for Coach Gerson. Will march on to our elite.